Alright, welcome to Homework Takeout, page 287, number 15, section 2.4. Number 15a. How many different teams of 4 students can be chosen from the 15 students in the grade 12 math league? So again, we're choosing. That's the key term here that's been given. So I'm going to highlight it. You're choosing them. So order does not matter. So if order does not matter, and we have 15 students, and we're choosing 4 of them, really all there is to this question is we're doing 15. Choose 4, and get my calculator. Oops. Let's put myself on the screen. Okay, 15. Choose 4. So that's 1365. So there's 1365 different teams of 4 students chosen from 15. Okay, how many of the possible teams would include the youngest student in the league? The possible teams okay, so there's 4 students against them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've got to include the youngest. And how many youngest people are there on 15 students? There's only going to be one youngest person. There can only be one person possible, right? So right there, that's going to be 1, choose 1. There's one youngest person possible, and you gotta choose one of them. So there's only one possible choice here. And then, for the remaining 3 here, you can choose any other people. So, we can choose, we only have 14 students now because we've already chosen the youngest one. So we have 14, choose, and we have 3 slots to fill. 14, choose 3. So, the answer, when you put it on a calculator, is 1 times 14, choose 3, or just 14, choose 3. So I'm going to do 14, choose 3, and that's 364 different ways of getting the team with the youngest player student in the league. And part C, how many of the possible teams would exclude the youngest student? So we're excluding the youngest student, so we would have to, I guess the fastest way to do this is the indirect way, because we've already done this with A and B here. So indirect would be A, which is all possible methods, all possible teams, with no restriction, and if we subtract number of teams with, let's check the whole thing, with the youngest student, we're going to be left with the number of teams without the youngest student. So number of teams without student. So no restriction. So all possible teams, taking away the number of teams with the youngest student, we'll just be left with the number of teams without the youngest student. So we've already calculated both these 2 things. All possible teams with no restriction is 1365 minus the number of possible teams with the youngest students, which is 364. And that answer will be 1,001 possible teams that would exclude the youngest student. Okay, hopefully that helps. If there's any questions, please see me in class or email me. Thank you for listening.